Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will show you how to create a login form, a simple login form without VBA code or anything complex. First, we create a table. The table's fields would be user name, yes, the data type text, and password. Also data type will be next. Click save. Table 1, yes. Okay, now we will just wait. This is really taking too long time. Let's finish. We enter some data. First, we just enter some name, my name, for example, Serkan. And the password would be BV7. And another one, we just Victoria. Anything you want. Let's say number 7. And the password will be ABC. Okay, click save and just leave it. Now we have to create. We just create a form. This form is the form that is going to be open after the login. After we fill the login form, this is just welcome. Like a welcome message or anything that's opened after the login form. Okay, the name is form 1. Click save. Okay, now we go to form wizard here. We choose the table, our only table, and both fields. Next, and finished. We have a new form. Its name is table 1. Now we make these two fields smaller. We take this one and put it here, and we need a new text box here. As you can see, its name is text5. That we are going to need it in the future steps. Now what we do here, we need a combo box. We set it here beside the username field. Now in these 3 options, we have to choose the third one. Find the record on my form based on the value. Yes, we choose username as it's highlighted. Next, and finished. We don't need this label, just we get rid of it. As you can see, now we have the datas. Okay, now we put some control buttons. First, we hit on the first button. We don't want it to do anything yet. Just click cancel. On the second button, we want to quit the application, and the name should be a cancel button. Okay, good. Yes, now we go back to our first button. We name it log in button. Okay, now we go to event. On the event, what should this button do? We choose if. This is just here. We just drag this and drop it here. If. Now we type the password. If the password field equals our text box, which was text 5. If it's equal to that, it should first close the login form. Close. We should type close window. We choose here form, and here the login form, which is table 1. You can name it and everything, and in prompt we click no. Yes, and it also should do something else, which is open form. With this form will be the form 1, the welcome message. The second part of form we're going to need. This, yes, we said this, but if the password is not equal to text5 at else, we just do this. We needed to just give us a text message box. The message will be invalid password, anything you want. Okay, now click close. Now here we don't forget this. You hear the password here, but we don't need the password to be visible to the user, so we click here on we choose the text box, and invisible we click it to no. Yes, now we choose the form properties. The properties we choose pop-up to yes. Now it will just pop up. It will be a new window. Now here you can do what you want. You click circle. The circle as password was VB7. When I hit login, it will close the login form and open login. The second was 7 and the password was ABC. Login, it should full open. Now you can have any number of users. Let's say 100. Anything you want. Now if you type a wrong password, it's giving out an invalid password, and it's not opening the second form, and it's not also closing this login form. Now if you can see here, we can change, we can just open another form, the second form we need, but and you can also close this form. But if you don't want the users to do this, you can prevent them using these steps. First we should check the form properties of here, this form. Now we click the shortcut menu to no. Okay, in format we go to navigation buttons, no, we choose no, and the record selectors also no, and the scroll bars neither, and the control box no, and the close buttons no. We just hear so many things to know. And now as you can see here, now we need another thing. I forgot to set this also. This is a very important module to yes in the other tab. Now the user can't do anything until he inserts a right password. If he click cancel, it's just gonna get out, it will keep the access, and he won't be able to do anything. Now here, wrong password, it's not open. Also we can't hit the right click. There is nothing you can do unless you enter the password. And if you want to set this login form in the when the database starts, you should do this. First let's close this. You should do this. Go to file, to tab file, in the options we choose current database. In display form we choose table 1 form. Click OK. Now it wants us to close it and reopen it, and we'll do that. Okay, let's do it. Now when we open the table, the database, the table 1 is now reopened. I hope this helps, and peace be upon who follows the guidance. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.